In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing something which is related to these two little houses I bought with that last lot that were kind of random and not related to it. But for this, they may make more sense. This is confusing. There. Is that how I open this? I'm gonna have to cut this. There's a little card in there. Now it's time to open up what I ordered, which is actually a really interesting item. It's this HO scale yard office for my layout. So, now that I got this out, we're gonna go do some layout work, so let's watch that. Alright, so it's time for one of the final layout work things. So we're gonna be painting this area here green for these two little houses I got, and I already put the yard office right here. This is really gonna be the last thing I do for the layout besides painting the lines on these streets. So once I do that, the entire layout is basically going to be done. What I'm going to be doing after that is getting more cars, and replacing these cars here with some better cars, and then just getting more engines and stuff. And then we might have some more garden layout work coming, so with this out of the way, let's get to work. Okay, it's now sometime later and all this paint is dry, so here's how it turned out. And the layout's basically complete now. So all I might do is swap these cars out at some point, maybe get more NASCARs, and then maybe get some more trees, and that's really it. So thanks for watching this last episode of layout work for this one. But there's going to be a lot more for the garden layout.